Well, welcome back to Tech Garage, presented by RockAuto.com. Well, we got our lead technician, Benjamin, scooting around in the truck on the Magic Creeper. And Dave, I'm grateful for that because my knees can't take it anymore.
I feel the same way, John. We're working as hard as we can right now. I love this.
Yeah, absolutely. And you know, to get to this point, let me bring you up to speed. We got these bed rails here, and they're gorgeous. They're from RockAuto.com as well. And you know, they were real easy to put on. We just took some alcohol wipes, went around the sides, cleaned off the bed, made sure that it was real good on the top. Then it was peel and stick. I mean, that easy. Just made sure we lined it up right, pushed down on them, gave them good pressure all the way around.
Yeah, and a lot of folks freak out when they know it's just tape holding something on, but there are some major manufacturers that do auto trim out there and windshields and that sort of thing, and all the trim is held on by tape, and it works great.
Yeah, we turned our attention to the tailgate then. It was the same process, just a matter of peeling the tape, wiping it down with the alcohol wipes, making sure there was no grease or debris on there. We pushed the tailgate down, and man, the bed rails look great. But Dave, it's tonneau cover time.
Yeah, and the hoop steps look awesome. And this is really going to finish off the look of the exterior here, John, before we get to the interior.
Absolutely. I'll let you get yours in first, and then I'll just pull this back a hair. You got this bracket underneath. Dave, not only finish it off, I mean, this is going to protect stuff in the back, which is real nice. If you need to do that, you just simply go ahead and put it down. Once we roll it out, this thing's going to look sharp, man.
Tonneau covers are great because they protect your valuables. Folks don't know what you have with you, and you can lock a lot of them and keep your stuff safe. You keep it mostly safe from the water. Tonneau covers never guarantee that they're completely watertight, but it's a nice way to protect your gear and keep everything safe in the back of the truck for sure. And it really looks great too.
Yeah.
With one like this, I really like it because it rolls up. It's not cumbersome. It doesn't fold, and it's a lot of them that are hinged. They look like a great idea until you own one, and you can't get a lot of big stuff in there. And removing it is a two-person job. It really is a big hassle. So I love this model right here.
Yeah, me too. As far as the installation, you know, once again, you're not drilling into your bed. You're not doing any damage. You can remove it from truck to truck. It's for a standard-sized bed. It's got the clamps in there Benjamin put on, 1, 2, 3. Very, very secure. Once you bolt yours up in the top there, that stays there, and then you can roll it up, like you said, which is really cool. You got 2 little clips right here, Dave, so if you grab those, unclip this. Yeah. Let me get my clip. There we go.
There you go.
And then bam, bam, the Velcro's on the side, which is sealing it up. Uh-oh, it's looking pretty good already. What do you think?
This is fantastic. Right out of the box, like no effort, no drilling, which is great.
Yep, awesome. And then the last one just comes down and latches.
Yeah, tight as a drum.
Wow.
You just push the Velcro down and seal that thing up. And
oh, that's a good idea. Yeah, we'll go down, run that down. Look at, man, it couldn't be any easier than that.
Couldn't look any better either.
Awesome. Let's close this and, man, look at that. Wow.
I think we just doubled the value of this truck.
Ooh, big time. You ain't seen nothing yet. We have to get to the interior, and we're going to really transform this truck. Stick around. There's plenty more Tech Garage brought to you by RockAuto.com.